It might be nicknamed the Red Planet, but there's a lot more to Mars than just rocks and red dust. NASA's images show plenty of hidden beauty and intrigue. Here are some best and most interesting images NASA has compiled of Mars. The Perseverance rover has detected something unusual on the surface of Mars. When on the move, its hazard avoidance camera captured this image of what looks like string on the planet's surface. NASA has said that it's likely left over from the rover's landing, but it's not in the landing spot, so must have blown there. Nice to imagine it's alien in origin, though. Another of the Curiosity rover's panoramic photographs from the foothills of Mount Sharp shows a curious rock formation that the team has informally nicknamed Gator Back Rocks due to the scaly appearance of the area. The entire view is worth soaking in, but this spot is particularly interesting as these jagged rocks can be a problem for the rover's wheels. So much so that NASA has had to avoid driving over them. In May 2022, NASA's Curiosity Mars rover captured an image that was quickly sensationalized on as a doorway on Mars. The wide landscape view around Mount Sharp seemed to show an interesting portal in the rock face, leaving many to speculate that this might be another indicator of life on the Red Planet. NASA was quick to point out that the door stands at just 29 centimeters tall, about the same as a dog door, and not really as exciting as it first appears. This image from the surface of Mars was captured by the Curiosity rover and shows an interesting view that looks like a sandy floral-like formation on the planet. According to planetary scientist Abigail Fremont, it's actually formed by minerals precipitating from water. This image from 2018 appears to show a large crater on the surface of Mars that looks like the planet is home to a gigantic alien worm. It's actually a heavily cratered region of the planet located near the Martian equator. An impressive sight nonetheless. Way back in 1999, the Mars Orbiter camera captured this love heart-shaped formation on the surface of the Red Planet. The shape is apparently the result of a geological collapse in the area, which has resulted in a 1.4-mile-wide pit. Captured by NASA's high-resolution imaging science experiment HIRIS camera on the Mars Orbiter, this image from 2012 shows a large dust devil casting a snake-like shape over the surface of the Red Planet. It's thought that the dust devil was about 800 meters tall and 30 meters in diameter. Fear not, these are not giant alien spiders, but instead are cracks on the surface of Mars. This was captured by the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter in 2009 and shows a region of the south pole of the Red Planet where cracks have appeared on the surface. Captured by the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, this unusual geological feature has a striking resemblance to a bear. In reality, it's just a couple of craters and an impact zone that's possibly been subjected to lava or mud flows over time. Still looks awesome though.